Hello, and welcome to a new segment I like to call This with That, where I'm going to be shooting this with that. Let's begin. Oh, crap. Oh, jeez. Stop moving. Oh, crap. Dropped another one. All right. We're getting there. Hang on a second here. I just gotta load this magazine. It makes it a lot harder. Oh, jeez. It's falling everywhere. All right. That takes forever to load. Okay, I have loaded the magazine here, and I am going to be shooting this with that. All right. Well, all right. I think I'm ready. Okay. Oh man, jammed. Well, as you can see here, it fell down. Oh no, there's glass. Oh no. Just stepped on a piece of glass. Yeah, it stuck my foot. See that piece of glass just. You could tell here that I missed a couple, and I only hit 4 shots before it fell off the table. But what's cool about it is, though, if you look on the back here, no penetration. Let's see if this works again. I just got a shot of it. See that? Well, that will conclude the episode of This with That, where I shoot this with that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the next episode. Bonus clip. I'm going to be shooting this.